Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I will show you internal structure of M25 earbuds. Here you can see that there is M25 earbuds. Now let's open it. There is 4 screws here, you can see that. The 4 screws has been opened here, you can see that. There is earbuds. Here you can see that there is charging port, to mobile charger, USB port. Here you can see the internal structure of this earbuds. Dear friend, our unboxing video available on my channel for these earbuds. You can check out this video. There is 500 mAh battery to charge these earbuds. So friends, that's all about from my this video. If you like my this video, then don't forget to subscribe. Also press bell icon for my next project notification. You can check out unboxing video of this earbuds. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.